Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to blow up a balloon easily. This will be a basic tutorial with basic instructions, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a very simple balloon, and believe it or not, a lot of people struggle to blow up a balloon. I'm going to show you how to do it easily. So with the balloon, there's the round part, and then there's the spout. Basically, you want to fill up the balloon with air from your breath and your lungs through the spout right there, okay? Now, the spout is designed in a way that it's a little bit rounded at the end over there, so it gives you a little bit of a place to put your lips on when you're pushing air into the balloon, and it sort of allows your lips to stay on there as you push air into the balloon because this rounded part goes behind your lips. So essentially, you want to put it like this behind your lips. I'm just going under my upper cabinets in my basement kitchen over here. That's why I'm ducking down like this. I have my phone just placed on the countertop. So basically, you put your lips like this. You want to get your lips over that round part. So there's the round part. Your lips are going to sit over that round part, okay, like this, okay? And then close your lips and blow. And when you want to take a pause, you squeeze the balloon to hold the air in there, like this. And now that I'm squeezing the balloon, I'm holding air in the balloon, okay? We'll try that again one more time. So look, you inhale first, then put the balloon in your lips, close your lips around the balloon, and then exhale your breath into the balloon. So, just like that. Now, a little tip. The noise gets me every time. If you're still struggling to do it properly, you can squeeze your lips together over top of the balloon spout. So you'll notice as I'm about to breathe into the balloon, I squeeze my lips together, just like this. Like that. I'll show you one more time. So I'm squeezing my lips together over the balloon spout, which allows me to grip onto it, but they're still loose enough that air gets through. I'm not squeezing them like this. I'm squeezing them kind of like that, so air still gets through. Just like this. And then you can continue filling it. So when I did that, I was breathing in through my nose and out through my mouth to continue filling it more and more. So in through my nose, out through my mouth. Just like this, one more time. Now you always have to be mindful of how much air you're going to put into the balloon, because if you blow it up too much, it will pop. So you have to know the maximum inflation level of the balloon before you blow it up too much and then it ends up bursting. So that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to, and I know it's a simple video, you're probably wondering why did you make this. Believe me, I've seen a lot of people struggle to blow up a balloon. For some people it comes easily, for others it doesn't. So I figured I'd make this tutorial because some people will find this useful. And that's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.